How to remove background noise from a video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from your video. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your browser and in the search bar, you need to go ahead and type veed.io. This will take you to the Veed's official homepage. You need to simply go ahead and click on the video that you want to remove the background noise. Now, let's say you want to remove the background noise for this video. Simply go ahead and click on the audio over here. You need to scroll down and you can see an option over here that says clean audio, which means remove background noise. Go ahead and click on that. And once you have done it, all the background noise will be removed from your video. Let's go ahead and check it out. First, you need to head over to your Mozilla Firefox browser. And as you can see that all the background noise has been removed from my video. And that's it. Once you are done, you need to simply click on done and then you can simply go ahead and export the video if you want. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video.